Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about pocket milling operation, depth of cut. Our topics are change of depth of cut. So, we already apply our operation. For change depth of cut, click on parameter. Here, your depth of cut option is available. You will see maximum rough cut value is 1 and finish cut value is 0.5. With 0.5, 2 cut are available. So I will change 0.1 finish cut value and the finish cut is 5. Okay, and the rough cut is same 1. I will click on OK, and after changes, regenerate your operation. In view, I will click wireframe and change the view like front. You will see here 0.1 value 5 cut and another is 1. Now this is starting motion. So in parameter, entry motion, I will off this. OK, and regenerate. So this motion is off. You will see. Now again, I will click in parameter, roughing, depth of cut, and rough cut value is changed 0.5. OK, and regenerate. You will see. Now, if I don't want the finish step, so again parameter and finish cut 0, finish value is also 0. Now rough value is 1, OK, and regenerate. So you will see finish step is not available, only rough step are available. So this is your depth cut option, your roughing, step, finish step like with 0.5 value and 2 cuts are available. I will click OK and regenerate. You will see with 0.5 value 2 cuts and another is 1 cut. So this is your depth of cut. I will change in shaded, in isometric. Okay. In next lecture we will discuss about pocket milling operation different type. Thank you friends.